Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today's date, if you are in periods 1 or 4, is 12/2. If you are in periods 5, 7, or 8, it is 12/3. Cruising right along. Today we are still working on is it a function? But we are focusing on graphs and mapping. We are focusing on graphs and mapping. All right. So let's start with, again, something super duper important. What in the heck is a function? What is a function? A function, remember, is that every input, which is also a different way of saying domain, or x value, right? Those are saying the same thing, has one output, which is also the same as range or y value. All right? A real world example of this is you take bread, you put it in the toaster, and it comes out as toast. So your input is bread, your output is toast. All right? So the first thing that we are going to look at is graphing. The first thing we are going to look at is it a function? Is it a function? Graphing. Alrighty? And basically what this says is a graph is a function if the horizontal axis, which is the x-axis, a graph is a function if the horizontal x-axis only passes through one point on the graph. All right? And that is just a super duper fancy way of saying passes the vertical line test. And we are going to look at what in the heck that is here momentarily.